Oh, I didn't record. Oh no. Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're at like a wee fishing beach. Let's have a look what we can find. Bit of a cleaning, they might work. Nasty. It's an old bit of money. I'm actually still getting a signal in the same hole. So. Same hole. Woo. Yeah. Tinted. Oh. That's a really nice sinker. Hey guys, just had a quick one today, like 45 minutes on this wee beach, so went alright though, a lot of fishing items. Got a nice wee knife here, I think she's seen better days though, bit rusty. Got a shifter going on, as you Aussies call it. Bit of a clean up and some WD-40, should be right. We got about a handful of sinkers here, as you'd expect on a beach like this, I guess. And some couple wee hooks, but they're a bit worn out. And 50-cent piece. Very, very old. I'd say she's been in there a while, going by the wear. And yeah, that old bolt. Cool guys. See you next time.